Ever wonder why some people seem to pick up new skills in weeks while others struggle for years? It's not that they're smarter. It's that they've learned how to work with their brain instead of against it. Today, I'll show you 4 powerful brain hacks that can help you learn any skill faster, whether it's public speaking, playing guitar, coding, or even cooking. And once you use these, you'll realize speed of learning has nothing to do with talent. The secret is simple. Your brain isn't built for memorization. It's built for connection, practice, and feedback. If you learn the way your brain wants to learn, progress comes way faster. Let's dive in. Hack 1. The do immediately rule. The fastest way to lock in a new skill isn't just watching or reading about it. It's trying it right away. If you watch a cooking tutorial, don't wait until next week to try the recipe. If you hear a new guitar chord, play it immediately. Why? Because action creates muscle memory, and your brain learns faster when your hands, voice, or body are involved. Think of it as telling your brain, "This is important, store this." Hack 2. The 24-hour feedback loop. Learning without feedback is like throwing darts in the dark. If you want to speed up progress, build a 24-hour feedback loop. That means after practicing something, review it the same day or next day. Watch yourself on video, ask for feedback, or track what felt awkward. The quicker the feedback, the faster your brain rewires. This is why top performers, from athletes to entrepreneurs, constantly review and tweak their actions. Hack 3. The micro-practice method. Most people think big practice sessions are the key, but your brain loves small, repeated bursts. Instead of cramming 2 hours once a week, do 15 minutes a day. Want to learn a new language? Speak 10 sentences daily. Want to get better at sales? Practice 1 pitch every morning. These tiny daily reps add up way faster than occasional marathons, because consistency beats intensity every single time. Hack 4. The teach as you learn trick. Here's a hack most people overlook. Explain the skill to someone else as you're learning it. If you just learned a coding trick, show it to a friend. If you mastered a new workout move, teach it at the gym. Why does this work? Because teaching forces your brain to simplify, organize, and reinforce the knowledge. It's not about being an expert. It's about solidifying the skill by sharing it. Real-life example. Think about YouTubers or creators who learn a new skill and document the process publicly. They're not just practicing, they're teaching while learning. That accelerates their growth. That's why someone who starts posting language learning vlogs often becomes fluent faster than the person quietly studying for years. So here's the truth. Talent is overrated. The real difference maker is how you practice. Try it. Act immediately. Get feedback fast. Practice in micro bursts, and teach as you go. Do that, and you'll learn faster than you ever thought possible. Now ask yourself, what's one skill you've always wanted to learn, and which hack will you try today? And if this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more brain-back strategies, and share this video with a friend who's struggling to improve. Because learning isn't about talent, it's about strategy.